Hello everyone, my name is Zenas and I'm a rising junior here at Haverford and I'm studying computer science and applied math. I'm from Ghana, West Africa, and this summer I'm working with Professor Thao in the relatively new robotics lab. My job very much varies. I do like a lot of things at once, and specifically for research we are working on something called uncertainty quantification, which is pretty cool. I think it's like something relatively new that does not have a lot of like highlight focused on it right now. In terms of like robotics research, the building of foundation is something called camera calibration. So what we are trying to do is making the robot understand its immediate environment. It has to have perception. For example, we have like a robot arm that we are pairing together with like large language models, ChatGPT or DeepSeek or like Gemini. And these models hallucinate. Hallucinate means that they spit out data that are sometimes not necessarily correct. So if you're using that in conjunction with like a robot arm, you can tell it to do something that it will think it does not necessarily need any human intervention, but be confident to actually do that thing. And that becomes like very detrimental. So our like goal is actually like human interaction. So basically like household tasks. And you would want like set a score to the extent that whenever the robot actually needs help, it asks for help. Most of the things that we learn in class, we are actually applying towards like robotics, which is I think is pretty cool, because like the reason why most people are deterred to like learn certain things because they don't necessarily have like a materialized application for that. There's this man who's a physicist called Richard Feynman, and he talked about if you really want to understand a specific domain, you have to learn how to teach it. How that knowledge has been transferred to me, I can transfer it to other people. So I would say one of my passions is like to get into teaching, and I think this summer internship has also solidified my interest like pass that specific knowledge I've been learned like to other people.